Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today's video is the CUAV X25 EVO connecting to the SIYI RC7 tutorial. CUAV X25 EVO controller is fully upgraded to a 10V 18V high voltage power supply, significantly improving power supply efficiency. The baseboard has a built-in 5V15A DC-DC high power converter, and the external interface supports 5V12A output, empowering heavy load devices. UniRC 77 Pro is SIYI's new generation of handheld ground stations, designed for drones, vehicles, boats, and intelligent robots. This series supports 2.45 GHz dual-band communication with a communication range of up to 40 kilometers. The video is mainly divided into 3 parts. What products will be used in this test? How to connect the cables. How to present the results. What products will be used in this test? The products used in this test include CUAV X25 EVO Flight Controller, SIYI RC7 and Remote Controller, Tata 16,000 mAh battery. The cables used in this test include QS8S to XT60 adapter, RC7S bus cable, RC7 data link cable, RC7 receiver power cable, XT60 to JST adapter, X25 EVO power cable. How to connect the cables. The S.bus port on the RC7 receiver connects to the RC port on the X25 EVO flight controller. The S.bus connector is GH1.252 pin, and the RC port connector on the flight controller is GH1.253 pin. The UART1 port on the RC7 receiver connects to the TELEM1 port on the X25 EVO flight controller. The UART1 connector is GH1.253 pin, and the TELEM1 connector on the flight controller is GH1.256 pin. Connect the power module to the battery. And connect the flight controller to the power module. The Power C1 port on the flight controller connects to the power port on the power module, and both connectors are Molex 1.25mm 8 pin. The QS8S to XT60 adapter connects to the other side of the power module. The XT60 to JST adapter connects to the power supply. The RC7 receiver power cable connects to the adapter to supply power to the receiver. The receiver power connector is XT30, and the other end uses a JST 2.45mm 2-pin connector. How to present the results. Open UniRC on the remote controller. Click the upper right corner to enter the controller settings page. Click Data Link. Set Data Link 1 to UART or UDP, and set baud rate 1 to 57,600. The ground station will connect automatically. If it does not connect, continue by clicking the flight controller page. Set the connection type to UDP-CI. If an address needs to be filled in, enter 192.168.144.20:19856. After connecting successfully, you can check and configure the flight controller data. Return to the flight interface, and the black circular indicator in the middle shows the real-time status of the flight controller. Click the upper right corner again, and in the RC calibration interface you can see that the S.bus channels are working normally. Open QGC. Click the application settings icon in the upper left corner. Click Communication Links. Click Add. Enter any name you like. Set type to UDP. Set port to 0. And set the address to 192.168.144.20:19856. Click Add Address. Click OK. Return to the Communication Links page. Select the link we just created and click Connect. Enter the flight interface to see that the flight controller is connected to the ground station. Rotate the flight controller to see its real-time attitude display. Click the battery icon to check battery information. Click Settings. Enter the remote controller page, and moving the sticks will show that S.bus is also connected. This concludes today's tutorial video on connecting the CUAV X25 EVO to the SIYI RC7. Thank you for watching and supporting the World Drone Market channel. See you in the next video.